In a faraway kingdom with tall castles and gardens full of magic flowers, there lived a kind king with 12 daughters. The princesses were known everywhere for their beauty, grace, and love for dancing, but they had a secret. Each night, after everyone went to bed, the princesses would gather in their elegant room. With a snap of their fingers, the floor would change into a doorway to a magical land. In that land, they danced all night, their shoes shining like stars as they twirled under the moonlight. The king, worried about his daughters' tired eyes and worn-out shoes, announced a big challenge. He invited brave princes from all over to solve the mystery of the dancing princesses. The one who figured it out could choose a princess to marry and inherit the kingdom. Prince Leo, known for being smart and brave, came to the palace determined to uncover the secret. The princesses welcomed him with kindness, and Leo marveled at their beauty as they danced at the royal ball. However, the secret of the magical shoes remained hard to find. Night after night, Prince Leo pretended to sleep while watching the princesses. Just as the clock struck midnight, the princesses got up from their beds and stepped into the magical land. With a heart full of curiosity, Prince Leo followed them through the doorway, his steps silent as a whisper. He marveled at the world. He entered a garden of silver trees, a river of sparkling water, and a ballroom decorated with moonlight. The princesses danced with joy, their laughter echoing through the night. Prince Leo watched in wonder, realizing that their secret world was a place of pure happiness and magic. As the night ended, the princesses returned to the palace, unaware of their visitor. With the morning sun, Prince Leo rushed to the king, his heart full of understanding. He explained the magic and presented the king with a bunch of magical roses, their petals glowing with moonlight. The king was moved by Leo's wisdom and kindness. He declared that Leo had solved the mystery and deserved to choose a princess to marry. Leo looked into the eyes of the youngest princess, Lily, her heart as kind as a gentle breeze. The kingdom celebrated with a grand wedding, and as Lily and Leo danced their first dance, the magic of the magical shoes filled the air. But this time the magic spread to everyone, bringing joy and wonder to all. And so, in a faraway kingdom with tall castles and gardens full of magic flowers, the mystery of the 12 dancing princesses was solved by the bravery and understanding of a prince named Leo. Their magical shoes continued to dance, not only in the hidden land, but also in the hearts of those who believed in the magic of love and unity.
Please like, subscribe, share, and press the bell icons for more videos.